In the last video we discussed about construction. Last two video only we studied the construction. What type of the construction we studied? The representation of irrational numbers on the number line. So in that we studied four methods. Which one? Unit square method, spiral method, geometric method and visualization. So these four methods we studied. So in that last video we discussed about last two constructions. So in that first we studied how to represent decimal irrational numbers on the number line geometrically. And after that we studied decimal expansions, terminating decimal expansion, non-terminating decimal expansions, how to visualize on the number line. So hope you students that understand. Now today we are going to start new topic. So before starting that new topic, already in the last video I explained about the decimal expansions of real numbers. This already I explained. So what it is coming, just I am revising what is coming in decimal expansion of real numbers. So in that we studied the terms terminating decimal expansion. In that terminating decimal expansion, so what we studied already I explained in the last video, just I am revising what is the meaning. Definitions also I wrote and gave. So what is terminating? If the remainder is 0. In the division, if the remainder is 0. So such type of decimal expansion we call terminating decimal expansion. Terminate means to stop. Means further we cannot do the division because remainder we will get 0. So such type of decimal expansion we call terminating decimal expansion. Then we studied non-terminating. So what is the meaning of non-terminating? Non-terminate means do not stop. It is continue. So what is the meaning of that? Do not stop. It is continue. Means division is not completed. Division is not completed. Division is continue. Why division is continue? Remainder is not 0. Remainder is not getting 0. If the remainder is not 0, so our division it is not stop. It is continue. The process is continue. So such decimal expansions we call non-terminating decimal expansions. Understood, students? What is the meaning of non-terminating? Means remainder is coming again and again. We will not get the remainder 0. Third, recurring. What is the meaning of recurring? Recurring means repeating. Recurring means repeating. What is the meaning of repeating? So while doing the division, so that a digit or group of digits continuously it is coming, means same number is repeating. So that is called recurring. For example, if we will see this 10 divided by 3. So here 3 3s are 9. So what will get? 1. Now here decimal point 0. 3 3s are 9. 1. 3 3s are 9. So what will happen? Here continuously the remainder is coming 1. So due to coming the remainder 1, so what it is there? 3 is repeating. So such decimal expansions we call recurring. It is terminating? No, it is not terminating. Means non-terminating. Remainder is not 0. Means non-terminating, recurring. Understood? Means here it is not coming 0 and number of any digit or group of digits it is repeating. So such decimal expansion we call recurring. Now next it is coming non-recurring. Non-recurring. So what is the meaning of non-recurring? Not repeating. In short, what we can remember? Not repeating. Not repeating means while doing the division, so remainder we will not get 0, but any digit or group of digits it is not repeating. Means how it is getting? Suppose for example 0.382179856321. So continue like this. Means here the digit is not repeating or group of digit is not repeating. Here this 3.3333 means here what happened? 3 is repeating. So we are writing this 3.3 bar. So bar why we are giving? Whatever digit is repeating, on that digit we are giving the bar. Now sometimes group of digit is repeating. 2.121212. So here what is repeating? 1 and 2 is repeating. So how we will write this? 2.12 bar. Whatever digits or group of digits are repeating, on that we will write the bar. Another 0.897897897 dot. Whenever this dot it will come, means it is non-terminating. Whenever these dots it will come, that is non-terminating. And see here 897, 897, 897. This group of digits it is repeating. So what it will get? 0.897 bar. Understood student how to write? And here non-recurring, any digit or group of digits are not repeating. So from these terms, terminating, non-terminating, recurring and non-recurring, we wrote the definition of rational and irrational number. What What is the meaning of rational number? By using these terms. So how to write the definition of rational number? The terminating and non-terminating recurring decimal expansion is called rational number. So what is the meaning of rational number? Terminating, non-terminating, recurring decimal expansion is called rational number. Means rational numbers are terminating decimal expansions. Terminating decimal expansions means, for example, 3 by 10. 3 by 10 what will get? 0.3. So after 3 we are giving the dot dot dot? No. Means it is terminating. Means remainder we will get 0. So such type of decimal expansions we call rational numbers. Then and non-terminating, non-recurring. Means rational numbers are non-terminating and recurring. Non-terminating and recurring decimal expansions. Means 2.1212 dot dot dot. Means what you are here experiencing? See here I gave the dot. Means it is non-terminating. And here group of digits are repeating. So here non-terminating, recurring. So 2.12 bar. So these numbers are the rational numbers. Then 0.897 dot dot dot. So what we can say? Dot 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 it is there. Means it is non-terminating. And 897 it is repeating. Means recurring. Non-terminating, recurring. So that's why it is a rational number. 0.897. Whenever on the number bar it is there, that number is the rational number. Understood, student? Now next we studied irrational number. What is the meaning of irrational number? Irrational number, so the non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansions are called irrational number. What is the meaning of irrational number? The non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansions are called irrational numbers. So here what are the examples? Examples it will come in here. Non-terminating means 0.87623 dot dot dot. Whenever it is coming dot dot dot, it is a non-terminating. And here any number or any group of digits, it is repeating? No. Means it is non-terminating, non-recurring. So it is called the irrational number. 1.321675 dot dot dot. 0.87623 8, 6, 5, 8, 9, 7, 8, 2, 0, 1, dot dot dot. So here also non-terminating, and any digit or group of digits are not repeating. So it is non-terminating, non-recurring. So such numbers we call irrational numbers. So these things already I explained. Then also I revised at that time I told. So whenever this topic it will start, again I will explain. So now today I explain terminating, non-terminating, recurring, non-recurring, rational numbers and irrational numbers. These things. Now afterwards we will start how the real numbers P by Q form convert into decimal expansion.